Today's episode is Rosie uses Caillou's money to buy a sports car / grounded, and was inspired by Shandon animations. So Paul, tell us about your new product again. Well, my new product is a yellow sports car. It costs $100,000 to buy. Sure, it's expensive, but my new sports car is awesome. It goes 0 to 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 miles an hour in 1 second. So buy it today at the store. It's awesome. Okay, folks. Paul will discuss more about his sports car after this commercial break. We'll be right back, folks.
Man, I want a car like that, but I have no money. I really want it that bad. Oh, come on. That sound effect was not necessary.
Man, I have $100,000 in my piggy bank. I'm going to give it all to charity.
I will steal Caillou's money to buy that awesome sports car. Ha 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 ha. Okay, Caillou has went to go take a in the bathroom. Now is my chance. Okay, piggy bank. Die piece of pig.
Hey! Do you even realize what you are?
Ugh, whatever.
Welcome to the car shop. What do you want?
I want a yellow sports car, please.
Okay, that will be $100,000.
Here you go.
Okay, enjoy your new car.
Oh my god. This car is crazy freaking fast. Man, I'm going to way over speed limit.
Let's see what's in my piggy bank. Wait, where did all the money go? Wait, I know who took it. It was Rosie, that's it. I'm telling on her. So, Caillou told his mom, and his mom used Plotagon logic to teleport to Rosie, only to have this happen.
Oh no. It's my mom.
Oh no. We are about to crash. Rosie, how dare you use Caillou's money to buy a car? That's it. Let's go home. You are grounded for 596 weeks. Go to your room right now. Don't worry, Caillou. Here is $100,000 back.
Yes! Thank you, Mom.
Wow.